Kiki. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want ya. Still down for ya. Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Deja Janae, and today I present to you all a voiceover because I forgot to do my intro, but whatever. So yeah, today I'll be showing you all how I achieved that 2 ponytail poof poof look. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I did that. So just stay tuned and watch. Hey y'all, okay, so we're just gonna jump right into it. My hair right now, and it's very straight. My hair is already kind of stretched out and in the form that it needs to be for me to do this style. When I first did this, it was on like not drenched, but pretty damp hair. And I detangled it really well with my dimming brush. And I also made sure that it's pretty moisturized and had lots of oils in it so that it wasn't, too hard to brush through. Because for the style, for it to lay kind of flat, you need to like detangle your hair. I'm going to re-wet my hair with my spray bottle. Whoa! Oh, I hate when the water gets everywhere, all on me. It makes me cold. You're also gonna need a towel. I just don't want my whole shoulder getting wet and cold. That irritates me. I don't like that. Ooh, ooh. You're probably gonna need someone to help you, like part your hair down the middle. I had to use a mirror. I tried to get it perfect, but it was hard. Oh, shoot. Whoa. Of my Camille Rose Naturals, just to moisturize it. Re-moisturize it. Another product you'll need that I really like is castor oil. And you can use the Jamaican black castor oil, but I didn't have that, so I have the other one. Now, take your dimming brush and we're gonna just smooth your hair. I'm gonna take my forward bristle brush. Now that it's all slick, hold your ponytail. You're gonna need a knee high. So take your knee high. Mine is all stretched out because I use this to wrap around my ponytail. I just think it's easier than taking a small band and wrapping around that way. And I think I get smoother results. Okay, so now you're left with these two right here. So you're gonna split your hair in 3. You're gonna braid it. I mean, I guess you can leave these little strands hanging out if you want to, so knee high. But I'm gonna braid it in my hair. So now you have this little, So everything's slick. Please try not to make it too tight because it's just so uncomfortable. You're not going to be able to sleep comfortably. And use as much gel as you need. You moisturize your hair, so you should be good. Boom. Okay, so now we're going to do the other side. So my hair is in 2 little braids. I don't understand when people say pigtails because like aren't pigtails like curly? These are not pigtails. If they're like this, it's just a braid. Pigtails are curly. Now we're going to ensure that the fleekiness, the flatness stays. My secret weapon, this Ibn 24 hours edge tamer. But the kicker is, girl, it's dried out. Take this dried out edge control. I warm it up in my hands so that I don't have that white cast in my hair. I take it and I stick it. You're probably like, oh my God, it's white. No, it's not. It holds better. So I take my brush and I just smooth it in. Smooth it. Here is my edge control brush. You can get this at your local beauty supply. Mine's made like this. Got the brush, the comb, and then whatever this thing is at the end. I guess you just use it to part your hair. That's what I did. The edges. Yeah, I'm not gonna do too much. I don't know if I'm satisfied with my edges, but because I have slight OCD, I'm going to refrain from doing my edges over and over again. Yeah, I'm done with that. Grab a scarf of your choice. Mine is this one. This is not mine. I believe this is my mother's. Yeah. For security purposes, we're gonna put on 2 scarves because I would hate to wake up and see my scarf is not on my head and my edges are disheveled. Bring it up. It's gonna look bomb, girl. Trust me. And that's it. So I'm gonna just end this video here. So deuces. It's the following day. I have my makeup on. My scarf did come off last night. I don't know why, but it did. The baby hairs didn't really stay intact, but that is a-okay. I just took a little hairspray, a little gel, just to, you know, smooth it back down. Ooh, it's a little frizzy right there. Right there. It's okay though. It's alright. Girl, it's okay. It's okay. What we're gonna do, what I'm gonna show you, how I created the little ponytail thingamajiggers. If you guys are familiar with like half wigs, like the synthetic half wig, so basically all I did was took a half wig, scissors, and I cut it like in the middle. This is the front of the wig, as you can see, and here's the other half. So this was a quick weave. This is the back, this is the front, and it was like a whole wig. If y'all want like a separate video of how I did that, it's really simple, but that's all I did. I just cut it directly in the middle, and I have 2 of them now. One is slightly bigger than the other. Well, this one is bigger than this one, but that is okay. So take a ponytail. I'm taking, and it's a little raggedy, but it's all right because I feel like the raggedier it is, the more natural it looks to me. And you know, if your wigs are getting old, why not just cut it and turn it to something else, you know? Take the end of it like this. You can pin it if you want to, but I'm not gonna do it. So just wrapping it around. Ah, be careful. Oh, around like these. Wrap it here. Wrap it. Ooh. Now, if you have real like curly hair that isn't synthetic hair, this will probably be easier for you because you won't get as tangly. But so taking the piece of hair and you're just gonna wrap it around the base of the bundle. Side, it looks like that. Okay, so you'll also need like some hair ties, little hair ties like this, or some little rubber bands you find around the house. It don't matter, sis. We're gonna group it like this, kind of make it fluffy there. Take one of your hair ties and you're gonna wrap it around. Boom, you can fluff it out later. Take another one of your hair ties and you're gonna put another bubble in. Another bubble. Tie it. A little bubble. Poof, poof, poof. If you want to move them up, you can. I think that's what I'm gonna do, just to make it look a little bit more even. As you can see, like that. And now we're gonna do the next one. Like, you would not know this was a Synthetica. It's a Synthetica. Take your hair tie, and we're just gonna make a little ponytail. I'm gonna bring it around to compare the two, and you can kind of mush them around, mush them how you want them to look. Okay, cute, right? And you can totally leave it like this, or you can zhuzh it up a bit and add these things. Little hair jewels or whatever. Little hair clasp that you can find at your local beauty supply store, not Sally's. Boop. That's cute, right? It totally glams up the look. And we're done. Yay! I feel like my name should be Nunu or Kiki. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you. I need you. Still down for you. This is the finished look right here. You can totally glam it up, and you can put like 2 braids on the side. That would be so cute with like beads at the end, you know. But this is real simple, like bam. Like I came up with this myself, like how I cut the weft and all that. I haven't seen that here on the YouTube platform. Yeah, I'm a pioneer. Thank you all for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.